I said, I have my stock. I'm going in Quebec for 3 weeks. I have my stock, and I have the dog with me also. I have my golden with me, and he looked just a little bit, but I have so much crap. I said, shit. I said, I can't believe I have 2 cases with me, 24 bottles. I said $18. Do you think I would be happy?
Oh no, you wouldn't
Because
be
I will
happy.
not lose that.
Oh,
Yeah, it was crazy.
not bad.
Yes.
You?
Yes. Salad. Thank you. Ooh, smell good. I think that. It was made. Very good.
Well, we rather like this albergue. It's 701. It's about 7 degrees Celsius, which is like 45, 44 degrees. It's very cold. So we bundled up very well. Breakfast isn't quite ready. They don't have coffee, so that's always a bummer for me. Every albergue should have a coffee machine option, so a little angry. Shoulder is okay. I'm going to use this sling bag again. Put it over my right shoulder. There's my bag right here. Left one of my sticks attached to it. It's cold. It's the coldest morning. It's like 45, 44 degrees. And we're out of here. We got a couple hours to León. Okay. Perfect.
Good morning, ladies. Hello.
A small town 4 miles outside of where we just stayed. It's called Arcahueja or something like this. Look at this cool house. I think these really thick rails are just so bold and classy. That's what I think, but I have no taste really. Here's another nice house. This is a nice little mural. So this is where we started from here, and here's where we are right now. And León is where we are headed. She's from Belgium. after dinner last night. That says it's 8 o'clock and 7 degrees Celsius, which is very cold, but it's 9. Coming to another little suburb outside of León, and we're going to be walking through stuff like this all day.
9.8.
No.
We have
Yeah.
to, we can do
I forgot what I was going to say. I remember what I was going to say. We're going to be walking through a lot of this kind of suburb looking area. Not much nature seen between now and León, which is like 5-6 kilometers away. Oh, wait a minute. Let me take this off. I mean, you know that Sony Handycam that I brought? I've never used it, not once. I'm only doing videos on the iPhone, but I thought, what can I film for 2 hours? And just so I have, get use out of this camera. And I think what I'll do is when I get to Santiago, I will just film. I'll put the camera on a tripod, right? And just film people entering Santiago for 2 hours. How cool would that be? They're just beautiful. Yeah.
Gracias. They're nice.
We just stopped to smell the roses, and this rose here, and this little lady came out and said, "Oh, look at these flowers. This one is so fragrant." Buenos días, gracias. Oh my God. We are about 3.5 kilometers outside of León. There's the city right there. Big. Yep, here's León, and right here you can see the cathedral. There. Isn't that cool? We're gonna we're getting in a little early, which is great. My albergue doesn't open until 2. I think it's 9:30 right now, and so we have time to shop. I'm going to get a new hat. I'm going to get some new TEVAs, maybe some long socks, because it was 45 degrees when we left today. Francine wants to get a jacket, I think, but I think I'm good in that department. I just have layers on. And I have a massage in a couple hours. I'm really excited about that. Woohoo! And this is how the, spills out into a big city. Really big city.
Time 2 hours 35 minutes 53 seconds. Total distance 9.0 kilometers. Average pace 17 minutes 19 seconds per kilometer. Split pace 16 minutes 59 seconds per kilometer.
Gracias.
¿Quieres sellar la credencial? ¿Escapo? ¿Sí?
Yo no.
Hola, buenos días.
The welcoming committee.
¿Quieres sellar la credencial? Allí, más. ¿Sí? Where are you from?
Yep, we are in León. We just saw the welcoming committee, and we got a map. So we are coming in right here. Here we go, here we go, here we go. And then boom, there's Francine's albergue, and here's mine. Right at the beginning of this rather large town. So we are going to find Francine's albergue because mine won't open till 2. Then we're gonna do a little shopping, and then I have a massage somewhere in this big town here at 12:30, which I'm very excited about. So we have just entered the city. We found Francine's albergue, we found mine, we found the pilgrim store, and we found the physio guy way up here. No, I want to. Oh, yeah, no, I want to go out this way. see this machine. It's going to pick up this heavy tile with suction. I've never seen anything like it. Wow, I found our Pilgrim store. Oh, this is a nice store. I don't see a lot of hats, and I certainly don't see TEVAs on this wall. So I have to do some work and find the TEVAs. Look what I found, guys. TEVAs. Oh, do you guys hear that? You don't hear the choir of angels singing? I do. 41. And Francine's looking at pocket towels because she left her towel in the last albergue, just like I left my hat
And I
in the
love my hat.
albergue before that. And here's some hats. Okay, I found my physio. That's him in this alley.
Your destination is on the left.
I have about 2 minutes to spare.
What's your name?
Robin? Good.
But the reservation is named...
Christine?
Okay, perfect. Christine Tony.
Okay. Oh, this is my little room. Tell me this isn't the cutest thing you ever saw. I have my own little shower inside the room. However, the bathroom is just outside here. So the massage went pretty well. He did a lot of rubbing that hurt a lot. But in the meantime, I'm still going to walk with a kind of like this sling bag here over my good shoulder, and maybe look for a different bag here in town. But I think everything might be closed right now. So Francine is taking the train tour around the city because it's something she really wanted to do. I said, go for it. Look at this. Look at the painting that's in my room, right? I love this painting.
Piano.
See, piano.
I live in this floor just in case you need something, okay? My name is Ananda and my mother Rosalia, okay?
Rosalia.
And the rooms are upstairs in the second floor.
Okay.
So we do the check-in here and then we go, okay?